Compelling reasons why you need to start using avocado oil. Avocados are a powerhouse of nutrients essential for your health. Did you know that besides eating avocados in guacamole, you can obtain its benefits by using avocado oil? This oil is extremely beneficial, especially due to its effectiveness in the treatment of arthritis. However, this is not the only benefit of avocado oil, so keep reading to find out more why you need to start using avocado oil. Health benefits of avocado oil. 1. Lower blood pressure. If you are looking for remedies to lower blood pressure or maintain a healthy blood pressure, avocado oil is the right choice for you. It contains monounsaturated fats that can be beneficial for your heart and blood pressure if consumed in moderation. The Journal of the American Medical Association published a study which showed that in a healthful diet, partial replacement of carbohydrate with monounsaturated fat or protein can reduce blood pressure, improve lipid levels, and lower estimated cardiovascular risk. 2. Help prevent gum disease. It has been shown that avocado oil can prevent periodontal diseases, an inflammatory disease that is characterized by red and bleeding gums, bad breath, the breakdown of tissue and bone around teeth. In some cases, it can cause tooth loss as well. Avocado has the ability to block IL-1B, a protein that is the main reason for the bone loss and tissue destruction in gum disease. 3. Improve arthritis symptoms. Arthritis is characterized by pain and swelling in the joints. There are two types of arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis occurs as a result of an autoimmune dysfunction where your white blood cells destroy the cartilage, while osteoarthritis occurs when the cartilage between joints wears off, leading to pain and inflammation. 4. Improve skin and enhance wound healing. Avocado oil is a great source of fatty acids that are very useful for your skin. According to a study that included people with psoriasis, after 12 weeks of using a cream that contains B12 and avocado oil, people experienced significant improvement. What is more, avocado oil can treat skin injuries and can accelerate the wound healing. 5. Lower cholesterol and improve heart health. It has been shown that avocado oil is very beneficial for heart health. A rabbit study claimed that avocado oil can provide amazing results when it comes to lowering the cholesterol levels. What is more, avocado oil and olive oil can raise HDL, good cholesterol. In rats, avocado oil managed to reduce low-density lipoprotein cholesterol levels and blood triglycerides and lower blood pressure. 6. Boost nutrient absorption. Avocado oil can boost the absorption of carotenoids, antioxidants that can promote your health. Adding avocado oil to a salad can enhance the absorption of alpha-carotene, lutein and beta-carotene. Dietary carotenoids can reduce the risk of disease, particularly eye disease and certain cancers. 7. Detoxify your body. Avocado oil has chlorophyll, an amazing source of healthy magnesium. It can eliminate heavy metals such as mercury and lead from the brain, kidneys, liver, and other organs. To boost the detoxification of chlorophyll, add avocado oil and cilantro to your salads and other meals. 8. Promote brain health. Health experts claim that avocado oil has a rich content of vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. It is one of the most beneficial oils for your brain. Omega-3 fatty acids can improve blood supply to your prefrontal cortex, responsible for critical thinking, healthy behavior, planning and decision-making. In this way, avocado oil maintains proper function of your brain. Vitamin E found in avocado oil can prevent the progression of Alzheimer's and reverse symptoms in the early stage of the disease. Adding avocado oil to the diet can be very beneficial for Alzheimer's patients. 9. Boost heart health. According to many studies, individuals who consume avocado oil have a lower risk of heart disease compared to people that don't consume. Avocado oil is packed with vitamin E that can prevent cholesterol oxidation, potassium that regulates blood pressure, folate that reduces dangerous homocysteine levels in the blood, and phytosterols that reduce cholesterol absorption. As we said before, avocado contains monounsaturated fat that can reduce your risk of stroke and heart disease, and improve the levels of blood lipid. 10. Promote eye health. Avocado oil is very beneficial for your eyesight. It is an excellent source of carotenoid lutein, a natural antioxidant that can protect your eyes from the damage of oxidative stress that can contribute to cataracts and macular degeneration. Due to its high content of vitamin E, avocado can prevent retinopathy, a condition that is caused by damage to your retina.
You